Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set the date and digital time on a Casio with model AE-2000 or module number 3199. The first step is to put the watch in the time mode by pressing the mode button few times until you see the day of the week. Press and hold the adjust button for 2 seconds until the second starts blinking on the screen. Press on the search button one time to reset the second to 0. Press on the mode button one time and press on the search button if you want to turn Dst Summer Time on or off depending on your time zone. Press the mode button one time and now use the two buttons on the right side, the upper and lower buttons, to search for your time zone or current city. If you don't know which one to use, please leave a comment below and I will assist you. Press the mode button one time and now again use the two buttons on the right side to choose the hour of your local time. Press the mode button again and use again the two buttons on the right side now to find the minutes of your local time. Press the mode button and now use the search button to display either 12 hours or 24 hours on the screen digital time. Press the mode button again and now use the two buttons on the right side to find the year. Press the mode button and again use the two buttons on the right side to find the month. Press the mode button and again use the two buttons on the right side now to find the date. Now press the mode button two times and press one time on the adjust button to return to the timekeeping mode or to exit the settings. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.